Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shani Vlogs. So today again I will be introducing you guys to my next recipe. But before that, those who are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And also next to the subscribe button there will be a small bell icon. Please do click on that so that you will get notifications as well of my future videos. Okay, so today I will be introducing you guys to my next recipe which is Yakhni Pulao. So the speciality of this particular dish is the rice is cooked in the chicken broth, which is also called yakhni. That is the reason this particular recipe is called as Yakhni Pulao. So let's get to the show. So this particular recipe is going to be in two phases. The first phase is to make the yakhni or the chicken broth. So for that we'll be using 1 kilo chicken, which will be boiling along with water and with dry ingredients like pepper, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, garlic is full garlic, ginger, onion full, cumin seeds, bay leaves. So the second phase is to make the pulao along with these ingredients, which is green chilies, ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, garam masala and salt, onion, curd thoroughly whisked, and this will be using for garnishing, onion and coriander leaves. So let's start with making the yakhni or the chicken broth. First I'll be adding the chicken pieces. Now I'll be adding the dry ingredients. Since I have taken 2 cups of rice, so this I'll be adding 3.5 cups of water. Also add some salt to this. We will let it boil till the chicken is cooked. So now while the chicken is getting cooked, we will be doing the second phase, that is to make the base. So once the oil is heated, we will add cumin seeds, onion, now let's mix this. Ginger garlic paste, green chilies. We have to mix it till it turns golden brown, like not very much brown also. Make sure that the raw smell or the taste of the onion is gone. The onion has become brown now, so I'll be adding garam masala and salt. I'll mix this thoroughly. Now once the masala is cooked, I'm going to add the curd. So after adding curd, I'll be cooking it till it gets dried. As this is getting cooked, let me just check the chicken broth. It's not cooked yet, it needs 5 more minutes. So let it continue to cook. You can even use pressure cooker to make the chicken broth, but the reason I didn't use is because in cooker the chicken tend to disintegrate. That's the reason. The chicken has got cooked now. It took 10 to 15 minutes for the chicken broth to be made. So I'm going to turn this off. So what I'll do is at first I'll remove the chicken pieces from this. So let's just remove this onion. This onion, ginger, garlic, this all will be discarded. We will not be using this now. So from this we'll be taking the chicken pieces and we'll be using the filtered broth. All this masala, onion, ginger, everything will be discarded. So now this is dried. So we'll be adding the chicken pieces into this. Mix this well. So I've been mixing this for a few minutes till I'm sure that the flavor of the masala has got mixed with the chicken. So now I'll be adding the chicken broth. Since we had taken 2 cups of rice, we'll be adding 3 cups of broth. We'll just let it cook for some time. Make sure that you do check the salt. If you feel the salt is less, add it before adding the rice. So now I'll be adding the 2 cups of rice which I had soaked in water for 10 minutes. So after adding the rice, we'll let it cook. We'll be keeping it in low flame. So I'll be taking off the lid now. It's been 10 minutes. The pulao is finely cooked. I've turned off the stove. So now I'm going to garnish it. Yakhni pulao is now ready to be served. So how was the recipe, guys? It was easy, right? I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon below and also do comment. So the way I made this recipe, well, this was a main simple recipe of yakhni pulao. If you guys like to add veggies in your pulao, you can even do that. So I hope you liked this recipe. Please don't forget to comment as well. So I'll be seeing you soon with my next video. Till then, bye guys, and do take care.